Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the F&D A110 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. There is a lot of information here. This particular speaker system comes with wooden cabinet subwoofer with 4-inch driver that gives powerful bass. Independent controls for volume and bass makes it easy for you to adjust the sound effects. Green power technology used for low power consumption in standby mode. Power output RMS total is 35 watt. That's 13 watt subwoofer plus 22 watt satellites. There are two satellites, so 11 watt into 2, that's 22 plus 13, 35. And gross weight is 3.2 kgs. Do we have anything else? Like I mentioned earlier, 35 watt RMS, and that's more or less all the information on this box. Let's just open it and show you what's inside. And these are the components of this box. I will give you a closer look at each of them. This is the user manual for the A110 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. Everything that you need to know, you will obviously find here. And this is the warranty card for F&D, end user's copy, warranty registration certificate. I'm going to keep them over here. What else do we have? Let's take a look at the other components first. Okay, this is a cable bundle that comes with most of these 2.1 to 4.1, 2.1 to 5.1 speaker systems. They're in and out on one side and a 3.5 mm on the other. And we have, so these are the satellites. These are the 11 watt satellites. It has this semicircular shape, as you can see, with a matte black finish. It has this mesh grill up front. And what else do we have? Rubber stops underneath. And that's more or less it. These are the satellites. Very stylish looking satellites, I must say. And this is the 13 watt subwoofer. As you can see, this is your 13 watt subwoofer. It's a pretty large square shaped subwoofer. There are some controls on this side. This is your power button. These are your audio input and audio output buttons. And there's also a volume button and a dedicated bass knob right over here. And that's more or less what this particular speaker looks like. It's a wooden speaker. I must mention this is a wooden speaker, which means that the sound quality is usually much more crisper and better than some of the other speakers. It has a unique square shape and a matte black finish as well. This also comes with this thick power cable. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the F&D A110 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.